Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And for today's video, we're gonna make a banana bread. So here are the ingredients that we're going to need. I have the 3 bananas in here, the ripe one. Some whole stick of butter and some chopped up walnuts. We're gonna need some yogurt if you want your banana bread to be moist. You get a yogurt or sour cream. Vanilla extract, the brown sugar, we need cinnamon, some salt, and don't forget the all-purpose flour. Alright, I already melted this 1 stick of butter, so this is the melted butter, and I added 1 cup of sugar. And we are just gonna peel our banana and add it on it. Alright, now we're just going to mash the banana and mix it together with the butter and sugar. Now we are going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And our 2 eggs. And now we're just going to mix it. And we are going to add our yogurt. Like I said, you guys can use sour cream. And this is totally optional. To make your banana bread to get more moist, you need to add yogurt or sour cream. But I choose Greek yogurt, and I put a 1/3 cup of yogurt, and we are going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Yeah. To add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Add 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And to put 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And then we are just going to mix it. And this one you can use stand mixer to mix your butter, but I just mixing it by hand. And also don't overmix it. All right, and now we are going to add about 1/2 teaspoon of walnuts. And now our butter is ready, and I already put some grease on this 9x5 pan. And we are just gonna pour our butter on the, or spoon the butter into our baking pan. There you go. And I'm going to add some walnuts on the top. I put about not even 1/4 cup of walnuts on it, but it's optional. I like my banana bread with nuts on it. So I did preheated the oven to 350 degrees, so this is already preheated, and we are going to bake it for 60 to 65 minutes. So this is done. I let it cool for a few minutes, and So I hope you guys like my recipe and make one for you, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. You guys have a good one. Bye bye.